Picture this. It's 6:15 a.m., your alarm blares, you hit snooze 4 times, and suddenly you're sprinting across your room with one shoe on, frantically searching for your bag, and praying you don't miss the bus. Sound painfully familiar? We've all seen those aesthetic 5 a.m. morning routine videos, but let's be real. That is completely unrealistic when you're exhausted and just trying to survive school. Starting every day in panic mode ruins your mood before first period even begins. But fixing your morning doesn't mean forcing yourself into a strict schedule. In this video, we're throwing out the fake perfection and breaking down a realistic step-by-step school morning routine that will save your sanity and get you out the door on time. First, pack your bag and lay out your clothes the night before on a designated Launchpad near your front door so you aren't hunting for things in the morning. To beat the snooze trap, keep your phone across the room so you're forced to get out of bed and drink a glass of water the second you wake up. Streamline your bathroom routine using the 3-song rule to get out in under 10 minutes. Grab a quick protein-packed breakfast like peanut butter toast or yogurt, and always leave a 5-minute buffer before heading out the door. If you found these practical tips helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with a friend who is always running late, comment with your own morning hacks,